Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today, I wanted to share with you a new sticker book. It is from Cassathetic Plans. I wanted to show you this. It is Boho Dreams. It has 436 pieces, so 30 sheets. Super, super lovely. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the first page. Lots of feathers, lots of leaves. Super pretty. Then we have this one. These are on paper. You have some boxes. You have these that are already decorated. Like, look how pretty this is. So this gives me lots of fall vibes. Then you have these, and these are on clear. And these are like strips and stuff, and color backings that you can use. Then you have boxes. So you have different sizes of boxes in those colors. And then you have these that are pre-arranged. Like, look how cute these are. So give you an idea of what to do. So you could put like the backgrounds and then the flowers around it. And then you come to another collection. So this one has blue in it. Like, look how pretty. And then this one looks like it has more of geographical shapes here. Yes, look, all of these shapes. I've made a couple spreads with shapes like this, and I really enjoyed it. So hopefully this will be the same. Kind of fun. And then you get boxes. And then you get the arrangements that are pre-made. And then you get pinks and greens. So cute. Look at that. And then you have some more shapes. These are super fun. The layered line art. So you get 2 pages of each. Some more boxes. And then again, pre-arrangements that are made. So this is such a fun sticker book. I wanted to share with you in case you haven't seen that one. But thanks so much for joining. This is a super quick video. Bye.